My name is Dean, and my job is to bring you the best AI tools through my videos. And yes, Creaty.ai really does an amazing job, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder, the place where we explore the most powerful AI tools and show you which ones can truly become the hero of your workflow. Today, we're talking about Creati.ai, an AI-powered platform that takes your marketing videos to the next level. Imagine, no expensive camera setups, no hiring models. Just upload your images or ideas, and AI creates professional, engaging content for you in minutes. And the best part? Creati.ai offers powerful features, AI UGC, create user-generated style videos that feel natural and authentic on social media. Creati, speak, high quality. AI voiceovers that sound real, with multiple languages and tones. AI product shoot, simply upload your product image, and AI delivers a cinematic product shoot, static image to video. Turn a single static photo into a fully animated marketing video. Storyline video. Transform your brand story into a structured ad-style video that sells. So let's dive in and break down each feature with real-world examples so you can see exactly how Creati.ai can transform your content game. Alright, let's start with our first feature. The process is super simple. First, sign up for a free account on Creati.ai. Once you're inside, go to the AI UGC section and pick any ad style that suits your brand.
Yeah. And if you said something gone to the back, gone beneath it.
For example, I'll choose one for my own product. Now, upload your product image. Here, you'll get three options: product URL, type speech text, or no speech. I'll go with product URL, paste my product link, and Creati.ai will automatically generate a great script for me. With one click on import, it pulls in my product name, description, and image, perfectly ready for the ad. Next, set your ad resolution, choose the duration, I'll keep mine at 30 seconds, and select your preferred language and voice gender. Hit continue. And that's it. In under a minute, you've got a ready-to-use, authentic UGC-style ad for your product. No filming, no editing, just pure AI magic. And here's the final result.
Ever felt like no matter what you do, your dry hair just stays frizzy and unmanageable? I've been there. That's until I found Dove Damage Therapy Shampoo Daily Moisture. Try it out and experience the magic for yourself.
As you can see, the AI presenter is speaking naturally, the product visuals are perfectly placed, and the overall feel is just like a real user review. Alright, now let's move on to our second feature, Creati Speak. The feature that gives your videos a natural, human-like voice in seconds. Once you open Creati Speak, you'll find a wide variety of AI avatars to choose from. You can even upload your own custom AI avatar if you want something completely unique. For this example, I'll select one from the library. Now, I simply paste the script that I want my avatar to speak. After that, I choose the language and the voice character that matches my brand's tone, whether it's friendly, professional, or energetic. Once everything looks good, I click Continue. And just like that, my AI avatar is speaking exactly what I wrote, with realistic lip sync and expression.
My name is Dean, and my job is to bring you the best AI tools through my videos. And yes, Creaty.ai really does an amazing job, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Now let's move on to our third feature, AI Product Shoot. This one is perfect if you want stunning, professional-looking product videos without setting up a camera. Simply upload your product image and then choose a matching background from the built-in library. It could be a studio setup, a lifestyle scene, or even something AI generated. Once you're happy with the setup, just click Start Render. After your image is loaded, simply click on AI Generated Video. Here, you'll type in a short prompt describing the kind of video you want. Once that's done, now click Start Render and let Creati.ai work its magic. In just a short time, your animated video is ready. Hit Preview, and you'll see your static image transformed into a dynamic, eye-catching piece of content that's ready to post. Next, we have the static image to video feature, perfect for creating short ads or narrative videos using just images. First, gather the character or scene images you want to use and upload them directly into Creati.ai. Simply click Select Render. In just moments, you'll get a smooth, professional video where your images flow together as a complete story, ready to share with your audience. Our final feature is Storyline Video. To start, simply paste your product link and click Import. The AI will instantly pull in your product name, images, and description. From here, Creati.ai will guide you step by step, asking for details like resolution, time duration, character selection, and product placement. You just make your selections along the way, and the AI builds the story around your product. Once everything is set, click Render Video. In a short time, you'll have a fully produced storyline-style video, complete with characters, scenes, and your product naturally showcased, ready to grab attention on any platform.
Imagine stumbling upon a hidden oasis in the desert. That's how I felt when I discovered Dove's Damage Therapy Shampoo Daily Moisture. Its blend of bioprotein care technology and hyaluronic serum transformed my dry hair, making it beautifully soft and smooth from the first wash. With each use, it feels like reviving my hair with 1 trillion protein builders.
And that's Creati.ai, an all-in-one AI content studio for UGC videos, voiceovers, product shoots, and more. It's fast, simple, and packed with creative tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Finder for more AI tool breakdowns. See you in the next video.